Ever cook your ribs like this in the oven bag on slow for about 3 hours? Seasoned to perfection. Got a little beef broth under the bottom. I'm finna cook them on real slow. That's how them things looking now. Fresh out the back. I already got my barbecue sauce whipped up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, with that sauce, baby. Got a little Italian for my salad. Meat didn't want to stay on that bone at all.